and gently step away from the noise of the day. I let the outside world become quiet. And for these next few moments, I don't have to fix anything. I don't have to understand everything. I don't have to carry everything. I simply come into the presence of God. Father, here I am, just as I am. With every thought, every worry, every fear, and every emotion I have been carrying inside. You already know my heart. You know the things I have not spoken about. You know the thoughts that keep returning when the room becomes quiet. And tonight, I don't want to run from them. I want to bring them to you. Lord, my mind feels tired. There are moments when I feel overwhelmed by things I cannot control. I think about tomorrow. I think about what could go wrong. I think about the things I should have done differently. And sometimes, my thoughts become louder than my peace. But tonight, I choose to remember your word. Be still and know that I am God. So I become still. I breathe slowly, and I remind my heart, God is here. God is near. I am not alone. Father, quiet the thoughts that are troubling me. Bring peace into the places within me that feel restless. Where there is fear, bring faith. Where there is confusion, bring clarity. Where there is heaviness, bring comfort. Where there is anxiety, bring your perfect peace. I don't need to know what tomorrow will bring. I don't need to solve tomorrow tonight. Tomorrow is in your hands. And tonight, I choose to rest. I release this day to you. I release the conversations I keep replaying in my mind. I release the mistakes I wish I could change. I release the questions I cannot answer. I release the future I cannot see. And I place them all into your loving hands. Jesus, stay close to me tonight. Let your presence fill this room. Let your peace settle over my heart like a gentle blanket. Let my breathing become slower. Let my thoughts become quieter. And let my soul remember that I am safe in your care. I don't have to be strong tonight. I don't have to pretend I'm okay. I can simply rest. Because you are with me. And if another anxious thought comes, I will not fight it. I will gently give it to you and say, Father, I trust you. Again, Father, I trust you. And one more time, Father, I trust you. Be still, breathe, rest. God is with you, and tonight you are not alone. As you continue to breathe slowly, allow yourself to let go. You don't have to carry everything into this night. Father, I give you the worries that have been weighing on my heart. The things I cannot control, the questions I cannot answer, the future I cannot see. I place them all into your hands. Your word tells me to cast my anxiety upon you, because you care for me. And tonight, I choose to believe that you care about my life. You care about my family. You care about my struggles. And you care about the things I cannot explain. Jesus, help me release the need to understand everything. I don't need every answer tonight. I don't need to solve tomorrow tonight. Tomorrow is in your hands. When fear tells me, what if something goes wrong? Remind me, you are with me. When anxiety tells me, you are alone, remind me, you have never left me. So tonight, I choose faith over fear, peace over worry, and trust over control. Father, take the thoughts that keep me awake. Take the tension from my heart. Let your peace move gently through my mind. Let my breathing become slower. Let my body become relaxed. And let my soul become still. I release the past. I release tomorrow. I release what I cannot change. And I trust you. I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I know who holds tomorrow. And that is enough. If this prayer is bringing peace to your heart tonight, stay with us. This is a quiet place for tired hearts, peaceful nights, and moments with God. If you would like to return for more peaceful prayers, you can quietly subscribe and become part of our peaceful family. Now, close your eyes. Take one slow breath and let go. God is with you.